welcome to Disney vlog number 7 or 6, I don't even know. Today is a little bit different. If you watched the vlog that went up last on my channel, you will know that we went to Miami, and as I said at the end of that vlog, we got back really late, so we've had a really lazy morning this morning, and we're having a bit of a chill day today where we're actually going to a Disney hotel and Disney Springs and then out later this evening. So we're not actually doing a theme park today, but we are doing Disney Springs, which is like the shopping bit, so I'm gonna vlog that in a little bit more detail. We're gonna go in some shops there, and then yeah, we're also heading to Caribbean Beach, which is the Disney resort hotel that we stayed in the last time we were here. So this time obviously we haven't stayed on Disney, but the last 3 times we've been, we always have. The first time we stayed at Port Orleans, and then we stayed at Coronado Springs, and then last time we stayed at the Caribbean Beach, which was definitely my favorite, I think, of the 3, although the other 2 I was like really small when I stayed there, like 7, I don't really remember it. We're heading to Caribbean Beach to use the pool and stuff like that, and Disney Springs, so without further ado, let's go. We have just arrived at Disney Springs, which is where we're starting today, and then we are getting the bus to the Caribbean Beach, as I already mentioned. Are you excited? This is my favourite kind of Disney transport, and the only time you'll ever see me getting on a bus. Here we go. It's Tom's first time on a Disney bus. I feel like this is monumental. We have arrived. This is my favourite of the Disney hotels, although I'm biased because I've stayed here and I've only been to like 3 others, but I just love it.
I've only been to 3 others.
Well, yeah, it is a lot, but also there are about 10 Disney hotels. Yeah, no, there's like way more than that. No, there's loads, Harry.
26 bus stops.
Yeah, 26 different bus stops. I don't think they're all hotels, but yeah, it's such good weather again as well, which is so nice. What is that? Oh, it's a squirrel. So, we are just about to leave Caribbean Beach now. We would have stayed longer, but a massive storm is on the way. Like, everywhere has closed. They've closed the pool, they've closed all of the like beachy areas because it's like literally thundering and lightning again. So we're gonna head back to Disney Springs. It is 3:30. I've got a sunburnt face. I think we're ready to head off now. But yeah, Caribbean Beach has changed a lot since the last time I came. So I came in 2016. Are we leaving or not? Are we going? Yeah, when I came in 2016, it's changed loads. They're doing loads of building work and like renovations and stuff on it at the moment, which I think will make it look sick. They're putting in the Disney like monorail service, not monorail, what are they? Cable cars. So they've got a massive base for that, and that takes you direct into Epcot and Hollywood Studios, I think. So hopefully the next time I come, which I do really want to come back, especially to this hotel, that will be open. So that'll be cool. They're not open at the moment. I think they're opening really soon though. We are in Uniqlo in Disney Springs. Top tip, they have loads and loads of Disney tees in here for like $9 or $14, some of them are 9, as you can see up here. This is like half the price, maybe even less than half the price of the ones that are almost exactly the same in the actual Disney parks. So like there's so many Lion King ones. Obviously the Lion King film actually came out today, so like that's so cute. And then there's like these ones. I really recommend checking it out in here if you're on Disney Springs and you want Disney t-shirts that aren't from the park. Like, just look at how cute some of these are. I really like this one. This has the Pixar lamp on the front and then the Pixar logo on the back with all the characters, which I think is so nice. I don't need any more white t-shirts though. We have come to the Lego store, because are you ever really too old for Lego? It's so loud in here though, what the heck? I could spend all day reading these quotes in here. They have so many little nice gifts. The shop's called Sugar Boo and Company, Sugar Boo and Co. So going back to my mum and dad now, but I love that shop. Definitely recommend checking it out. If you're on Disney Springs, didn't buy anything, but I definitely put so many nice little quotes. I really like the song as well. Oh, yeah. Very cute. We have popped into Publix on the way back from Disney Springs because we've just run out of like water and orange juice and stuff for the villa. So the boys are in front of me already messing around. Also, they're dressed the same. Walk ahead. Well, no, you both got red. Which one's cool?
One of them.
You decide in the comments. You decide in the comments who's cooler, Harry or Tom. So I have just got changed. I'm now ready to go out this evening. I still don't have very much makeup on. I've just kind of like topped up my mascara, to be honest, and popped on this dress. I feel like this really shows off my tan. This is from Urban Outfitters. I've only worn it once before because tonight we're going for dinner at the Olive Garden. You may have already seen that in a video that's already gone up, hopefully, fingers crossed. But yeah, Tom's just getting ready in here. And yeah, we're heading to like downtown Orlando tonight, so I'm really excited. We've been there before. They've got like a big eye that looks a little bit like the London Eye. And that's where the Olive Garden is as well, so let's go. We are here at the Olive Garden with my annoying family, but we're going inside. You ready, kids?
My shoes don't match my dress.
I like your shoes. In the video they look so bright though. Look. Right, we've just come out for dinner, guys. We're at the Olive Garden. We also just watched a helicopter take off. We were driving here, and on the way there was a helicopter like base in front of us, and we were
in the middle of the car.
What is happening right now?
Big eye. You just stopped. Oh man.
It's done that to me twice now on this trip.
Well, so.
This is really not going well. Oh my god, I'm just trying to tell the story of the helicopter. A helicopter took off right in front of us, basically, like literally over our car. I can't deal with these boys. Oh. Look at where we are. We have just come out of the Olive Garden. Harry is here, and we have come, yeah, down to the Orlando Eye, which is like downtown Orlando, and look how sick it looks. There's also this funky tower up here, which I think is actually a ride. It's one of those that goes up and spins round, but this is basically the London Eye but in Orlando. Duh, that's literally what the Orlando Eye means. Just found Taylor Swift on the side of a billboard, which is funky, right next to Katy Perry. The irony. It is really, really cool around here. It's giving me kind of like Shoreditch vibes in London, you know, when you find a place that's like in the middle of a city but it's like edgy and everything's covered in fairy light, and they probably drink their cocktails out of like mason jars, that kind of place. Just walking past another option for a fast food snack.
They're really good though, the
Shake Shacks are really good. We do have these in England though, just not near Hull. Is that only one? Covent Garden. Yeah, I know where it is. I thought there was a few.
And Jamie Carragher's Italian.
And Jamie Carragher. I just don't really know why you'd go on this. Comment down below if you would go on that. I know that loads of people will be like, oh, I'd love to do that, but I just do not see the appeal. You do get a good view. Good morning, guys. It is now Sunday, and today we are heading to Blizzard Beach. We actually haven't been there yet for this whole trip, so this is our first and only visit to Blizzard Beach. We're not massive water park fans, but obviously when you're on Disney it's like rude to not do them. So we are heading there today. I have this little outfit on, I'll show you. Basically, wait, excuse the state of the room behind me, but I have this swimsuit on which is from Boohoo. I really like this. It's got some cool cutouts, and then this like cover up, which I just think is really cool. I actually got this on holiday in Greece, you know, on like one of those markets where you're just walking around and they're selling loads of stuff that you definitely don't need. This was one of those. Yeah, this is my outfit, and then we're heading straight from Blizzard Beach to the mall at Millenia, which is possibly, I think, my favourite mall in Florida, but I haven't been to all of them. And we are going there to do some shopping. In fact, I'm just not going to tell you what we're doing. We're just going there. Here is Thomas. There goes Thomas. Let's go. So we are at Blizzard Beach today. I'm keeping the camera quite low because obviously there's a lot of people here that are swimming. But yeah, we have got sunbeds really near the like lazy river pool bit, which is really good because when we went to Typhoon Lagoon we actually really struggled to get sunbed. But here we got here early today, like we got here for when the park opened. My bun is so high up. So we've been on like 3 water slides I think so far, which has been really good. But now we're just having a bit of a sunbathe, having a bit of a chill. And I'm reading my book, which is still this book. I actually really recommend it. I've nearly finished it. It's really good. This is my current view. Everybody in the pool. Harry and my mum are in here somewhere. And then like over here behind this massive tree is where Summit Plummet is. And if you haven't been to Blizzard Beach before, which I actually haven't been since I was 9 years old because I didn't come the last time, me and my mum opted to go shopping instead. Summit Plummet is like the highest water park, highest water slide in any water park, I'm pretty sure. Oh, hi.
Strikes by my window. It's my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could I have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
Look at the size of this donut. It looks so good.
Oh my god! Nobody said it's that one that's pulling in front of you, it's not me. Jokers.
Lol. Oh, that's so funny.
I would stay back.
Just scrape the side of our car.
This is a rental.
For a bit of context, please turn the music off, Dad. Right, basically, a massive storm has hit, so everybody has attempted to leave Blizzard Beach at the exact same time, including us. We're heading to the mall at Millennia. We were going to leave anyway, it was just bad timing. And we've been trying to get out of the car park for probably a good 20 minutes now. There's ambulances, there's police, I don't know what's gone on. And that car, we had waited for a good 20 minutes to get out. We had been waiting for 20 minutes for somebody to let us out of the car park. And as we started to go, that woman just started like barging into our car and then wound the window down and started shouting at my dad as if like we weren't all waiting for the exact same thing. Oh, there's so many like
Such lovely manners.
stroppy people. Hard road rage is so real, especially here. I feel like they just don't, it's just not the same as driving in England at all. I don't know how you've done it, Dad, to be honest. I literally couldn't drive here.
Do you know what I always think with road rage? I always think, gosh, your parents would be so proud of you.
To be honest,
people like that.
I get road rage.
The driver was okay. He wasn't bothered. It was his wife.
Driver said that. We are now shopping in the mall at Millennia, which is like so massive. It reminds me a little bit of the Trafford Centre. And right, so my brave plan was that today I was going to maybe buy the Gucci trainers, which I've been looking at for so long. I've been saving up for them. Like, I haven't just decided overnight that I want the Gucci shoes, have I?
No, you haven't.
I actually haven't. I really haven't.
No,
But then when I googled the price, it's actually more expensive to get them here, which is so weird because I swear when I looked like a few months ago, it was cheaper out here. I don't know if that's because of the dollar or if I was just wrong, but I think I'm just going to wait and get them in England. We're in H&M now. We're going to brave walking into Gucci. I have never felt so intimidated because right now I've got no makeup on. I'm still wearing a swimming costume. Got shorts on over the top of it, so
So am I.
like it could be a top. We're going out for tea. I think I am actually going to buy like at least something else to wear because I can't go for tea dressed like this. But then also everybody's kind of dressed a little bit like this because it's Florida and it's really hot. And we go to Gucci to get judged. We are in the Cheesecake Factory. The boys have got burgers. I'm sat right in the middle of them. I've gone for a flatbread like pizza thing. These two are still waiting on their food, and then afterwards we are going to get a cheesecake, of course, because you can't come to the Cheesecake Factory and not get a cheesecake.
I don't know if I'm going to have room.
You are going to have room. You have to have room. That is a big burger. Look at the amount of cheesecakes on the menu. Every single one of these is a different flavour. Cheesecake! And we are deciding between all of these to share either 2 or 3 between the 5 of us.
All 5.
How many?
5.
How many?
5.
How many cheesecakes do you want to eat, Tom?
I want to eat 1, but there's 5 of us, so I think we should get 1 each. No, not really. I don't think we can eat it.
I don't think we needed this many spoons.
For what?
One more. To be honest, I would eat it with a fork.
This one.
Oh, you're so funny. I love having a brother that cares about me and respects me.
Yeah, when you go out, he always asks, when's on that, when's on that?
Yeah, I do too, but
Yeah, he needs a punching bag, that's all.
yeah, that is like, ow, look at this.
Going in.
Cheesecake came.
Put the light on.
Oh my god. So Harry was filming that last bit, but we've got...
I just zoomed in on Tom's face and he was just staring at it like it was the best thing he's ever seen.
It is, I think. We've got chocolate Oreo, we've got strawberry, and we've got salted caramel. We're going to tuck in. Let me know in the comments which your favourite would be. We have just finished up having tea in the Cheesecake Factory.
You're going to tell us?
Yeah, I am. And I don't even know how we got onto talking about it, but we were talking about phone passwords. And Harry was like, oh, nobody knows my phone password. And I was like, oh, go on then, I bet I could guess it. And he passed me his phone, and literally, the first attempt, I just guessed the password. I literally didn't know it. He's changed it now anyway, because I got it right. But he was
It wasn't
just like...
6 random numbers, is it?
No, I know, but it wasn't what I thought initially it was going to be. I just guessed it on a whim.
Birthday.
Yeah, it wasn't a birthday.
It was my dad's birthday.
Yeah, it was his dad's birthday,
changed
my
it
dad's
now, so-
birthday. I am a genius. We're just heading back to the car now. It's like 8:15, I think. I don't even know how it's got to that time. This is the outside of the Cheesecake Factory. Just look how bougie it looks. So next update is we've actually lost the car because earlier we parked outside Macy's and we got into the mall by walking through Macy's, but now all of the stores have shut, so we've had to walk all the way around the outside, but there's no paths, so we just literally were walking down this road here. This is a path now, yeah, but earlier this is just the interstate. We're just walking down there. But in other news, the sunset looks really nice. It's our penultimate evening here and it's making me sad. Hair in the face of the camera.
It made me jump.
We have just got back now. I can't believe this hairstyle has stayed in all day. I haven't redone it once and I've only got 2 hair bubbles and 2 hair grips in it. On all the water slides and everything. I'm looking very red in the face. I'm a little bit sunburned. But anyway, yeah, I'm heading downstairs now. I actually bought this t-shirt in H&M. I don't think I ever addressed that because all I had on was my swimming costume and I was really cold, so I bought this to put over the top of it. And I've just got back and got changed into something comfier. It's actually kind of chilled off a lot tonight because it's rained super heavy. It wasn't raining where we were, or if it was we didn't know because we were inside the mall, but here it's like everything is soaked and it's kind of like cooled down, which is actually really nice. I've just realised once again that I did not end this vlog. I keep doing that. I keep just going to bed. I was actually editing last night until quite late, so I didn't end the vlog. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. There is one more Disney vlog to come. I am going back to a park. We are doing exciting things, so definitely subscribe down below if you are new to my channel so that you don't miss out on that. And if you want to watch the others and this was the first one that you've watched, I will put them all in a playlist. I'm going to make a Florida 2019 playlist, so that should be up by now. If it's not, then it's coming. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this one as well. I hope you enjoyed seeing something a little bit different. There wasn't actually any theme parks in this one. But yeah, I shall see you all very, very soon with my final Disney vlog. Bye guys!
Wait, what?
We have come to the Yacht and Beach Club Hotel. This is my new airport outfit. This is my own jumpsuit. Oh, hey.